Introduction to Nutrition. 5 tips for a healthy diet. Nutrition has always been somewhat of a mystery to many, but it doesn't have to be. By following these simple tips on nutrition, you can improve your health and watch your body transform before your eyes in no time at all. If you're looking to make some changes in your eating habits, look no further than this video guide on nutrition. 1. Water. Staying hydrated is one of those health basics that most people know about but often fail to live up to. Water is important because it has 0 calories, helps balance your body's pH levels, and acts as an insulator for your internal organs and other body parts. If you don't drink enough water, you can get dehydrated, and being dehydrated can lead to headaches, fatigue, dry skin, constipation, dizziness or fainting, reduced immunity, and more. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water each day. If you exercise regularly or spend a lot of time in hot weather or high altitudes, you may need even more than that. 2. Fruits. Fruits make up approximately 50% of your 5 a day and can play an important role in a healthy diet. There are many benefits of fruit, including reduced risk of stroke, high levels of vitamin C and antioxidants which can help reduce disease risks. Fruits such as watermelon, apples, lemons, and oranges contain large amounts of vitamin C which helps with our immune system. They also have less sugar than most processed foods or sugary drinks. 3. Vegetables. As if you need another reason to load up on veggies. Veggie lovers also tend to weigh less than those who don't, and there are plenty of health benefits that come with upping your intake. The nutrient-dense options help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, which can improve weight loss. And since most vegetables are low in calories, they make dieting a little easier. Throw them in an omelet or smoothie, or enjoy them raw with dip or hummus for a healthy snack. 4. Protein. Protein is essential for building muscle, so don't discount it as fat weight. This nutrient packs a 1-2 punch. Not only does it help you maintain lean muscle tissue, but it also increases feelings of fullness and can boost overall metabolism by as much as 80 calories per day. That's not just great news for your waistline, because it also makes eating clean easier. 5. Vitamins. No matter how many times your mother told you to eat your vegetables, chances are she wasn't talking about multivitamins. Vitamins and minerals are essential nutrients that enable every cell in our body to do its job properly. Our bodies aren't capable of making all of these vitamins on their own. We have to get them from food sources or supplements. And because there are so many different kinds of vitamins out there, it can be difficult to know which ones we need and which ones we don't. That's why it's important to talk with your doctor before taking any kind of vitamin supplement. He or she can tell you what deficiencies you might have and which vitamins will help fill those gaps. Hope you enjoyed this simple but effective introduction to nutrition.